Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nut House, where we share a little glimpse into our life here living in the country in Georgia. We live a simple life, thanking the Lord for all his blessings and thanking him for you. We hope you stick around and enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It would help us out so much. So this is our first little garden harvest. We have some chili peppers here, and my goal this year was to plant enough of the chili peppers to be able to can them for homemade canned green chilies to add into maybe soup or my chicken enchiladas. So we're gonna cook these on the Blackstone, and I'm doing this to get rid of the tough membrane on the outside, the skin on the outside of the chilies. So we're going to get these with a little olive oil, salt, and let them start to blister. Now this is such a small amount of peppers. Like I said, it's my first picking of the season. We planted 32 peppers in one raised bed, and we have a video on us doing that. And I plan on canning them, but this is not enough to can. So today I won't be canning them, but hopefully I'll do another video showing you how I pressure can these. You could also freeze them if you didn't want to pressure can them, but like I said, I hope to get another video out of how to can these. So now that they are finished, we're going to put them in a bowl and cover them with saran wrap. That way the moisture will stay in, and for some reason the peelings come off so much better when you let it sit and cool off under the saran wrap. And after that has cooled down so I'm able to touch them, that's when we'll remove most of the seeds and the skin and the stems from the chili peppers, and then I'll chop them up and show you what I do next. Now if you don't have a Blackstone, you can do this on using your broiler, or you can put them on a gas stove. I've seen people char them that way as well, but I decided because it's like 80 something, almost 90 degrees outside, I'm trying not to use my oven or my stove so the electric bill won't be skyrocketed this month. So I use the Blackstone. But again, you can use your oven. You could probably even use like one of those griddles you make pancakes on. That might be worth a shot too. So these peppers that I'm doing now, I'm planning on making my chicken enchiladas, which I have a recipe for on my channel as well. And so I'm just going to cut these up when I'm finished, and then I'm going to add a good amount of salt, because for some reason the salt takes any bitterness of the char away, and I'll use that in place of the canned green chilies from the store. They have so much more flavor. So you can do this with a lot of different peppers, or even anything that says fire roasted. You can fire roast it yourself and preserve it, and then you will have quality ingredients without pesticides, and it will be so much more delicious. So not only is this delicious, but it also saves me quite a bit of money, as each of those little cans that I buy at the grocery store are almost $1 a can. And if I just preserve these myself, even if I just freeze these myself, I will be saving close to $1 per can, because I started these seeds myself. We planted them. The seeds were like $1.50 or something like that. So it's saving us a lot of money. So the last thing I will do is put these in a container and salt them pretty well, and then put them in the fridge until I'm ready to use. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.